Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing pretty good. So as you can see, we are in a different setting because today is the weekend, okay? And you know what that means? It's cocktail time, okay? So I'm here in my kitchen. I have a bunch of stuff in front of me and I'm gonna show you guys how to make 3 of my favorite cocktails in partnership with Turmeric Magic. So if you wanna see the cocktails that I make and everything that I use, then just go ahead and keep watching. All right, so for the first cocktail, we are going to be using brown liquor, okay? So the liquor that I got is Bullet. This is not typically my favorite, but I do like whiskeys and this is a good whiskey. I just personally don't care for it. It's very, very strong, okay? But it's very good quality whiskey, so I definitely recommend it. It's a bourbon whiskey, if that makes any difference. But the first drink is gonna be for all my brown liquor lovers. So I just have a nice cup right here with some ice in it. Now mind you guys, I am not a professional bartender, so don't come for me, okay? I'm just doing this the way I do it, the way I know how to do it. I also don't measure in this video. I'll put measurements if you guys want, but I eyeball it because we don't measure liquor over here, okay? We eyeball it. I'm gonna start off with just pouring the actual liquor into the cup itself. I'm gonna shake it up and mix it up before I put it into the cup that it's actually gonna be drank out of. So for the purpose of this video, and because I wanna be cute and look like I know what I'm doing, we're gonna actually use shots. I'm gonna be a real bartender and actually measure for you guys. So I'm gonna put, we'll say 2 shots of the bourbon or the Bullet. And I'm going to take a piece of lime just to add a little kick to it and just squeeze that in here. This is like 1/4 of a lime. I cut into 4 pieces. And we are going to be using the Turmeric Magic juice, which looks like this. Hope you can see, is it not bright enough? This is the juice right here. We're gonna be using the passion fruit flavor. Now this juice, let me tell you about it. Turmeric Magic has a bunch of flavors. They're very, very, very good for you, very healthy, and all of them have a kick. So all of the juices are made with ginger, lime, agave, and turmeric. They've recently started adding new flavors, so passion fruit, mint, mango, which you guys will see me use in this video. But if you're that person that loves those, making like ginger teas, all that type of stuff, if that's for you, if you like spicy things, this drink is for you. And you can also drink it cold and you can drink it hot if you ever feel like you have a cold, if you're congested. This will work for you. Just put it in a cup, heat it up, and you're good to go. If you want to drink it cold, you could do that too. If you want to mix it in your alcohol, you could do that too. It's a great hangover juice, so it's like a 2-in-1. It's literally everything in a bottle. So I definitely recommend you guys to check it out. But I'm gonna shut up and keep making these cocktails because that's what you guys are here for. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the passion fruit turmeric and I'm just gonna pour it in. And like I said, I'm kind of eyeballing it, so I'm gonna make these drinks a little strong just for you guys, okay? Literally, that is it. So simple. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up. It's all nice and shaken up together. And I'm gonna take my little cup that I showed you guys before, and just to make it look really nice and cute, I just cut a little peel or zest of the orange. Just gonna drop that in there. You're gonna pour the drink in there and just top it off with a little cherry. And that is the first cocktail. Ooh, that kick, oh my gosh. I actually changed that cocktail to a different glass because I realized I didn't put enough ice, but this is a better version of it. You actually need to fill up the full cup with ice. If you're gonna garnish your drink and you want the garnish to stay on top or to look pretty, you have to fill the whole glass with ice. That's where I went wrong, but like as you can see, I'm keeping it real, trial and error, okay? But this is the first cocktail using the bourbon whiskey and the passion fruit turmeric, and let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So next, we're gonna be making a mint margarita. In this cocktail, we're gonna be using the mint Turmeric Magic, which looks like this. I really hope you guys can see the label. I know my light is really bright, but we're gonna be using the mint Turmeric Magic to make this mint margarita. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to get a cup full of ice, okay? I'm not gonna mess up like I did with the first one. So we got our cup full of ice, and for our margarita, we're gonna be using tequila, which is, this is actually one of my favorite tequilas. This is Altos. I love this. Oh my gosh, it is so smooth, especially if you chill it, like put it in the freezer. If you're a shot kind of person, put this in the freezer and take it out. It tastes way better, literally chilled, than it does normal. I don't know what's the difference, but it tastes so much better if you put it in the freezer. I might actually drink this one, so we're gonna put like, we'll say 2.5 shots, maybe 3, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put a couple shots of that, however many shots you like. I'm gonna keep it modest. We gonna do 2. We're gonna do 2. And then we're going to take the mint Turmeric Magic, and we're going to just put just a splash of that. Now you can use your margarita mix of your own choice. I'm gonna use this one, which is the margarita mix by Simple Truth Organic in the lime flavor. Gonna put a little bit of that in there as well. Now I don't like my drinks too sweet. I'm not really a sweet kind of girl. I like them a little, you know, strong, a little tangy, but I don't like my drinks sweet at all. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime in there. Just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Oh, it smells good. It's gonna be strong, I already know. And I'm just gonna actually take a little slice of lime and put that in my cup of ice just like that. So I'm gonna block it a little bit so the ice doesn't come out. And there you have it, your mint and lime, I guess you could call it mint and lime margarita. It would have been better if I had mint leaves, which I wanted to buy, but I completely forgot. So that's my fault, but you could definitely put some mint leaves in here to up the flavor a little bit. So this is how my margarita turned out with the mint Turmeric Magic in there. Oh, this is actually kind of good. Okay. For the last drink, we're going to be making a refresher. Since we made a brown cocktail as well as the white cocktail, which I guess you could consider margarita a cocktail, I'm going to make a refresher with alcohol. So we're going to call this a spiked refresher. So for this, we're going to go ahead and take, this is going to be a larger cup since it's not really something that's going to have too much alcohol in it. It's okay, you could just use a big cup, and I'm going to go and fill it up with ice. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and filled my cup with ice. And for this, I'll be using the Altos again. I'm gonna put 2 shots of that, of the Altos. So after I add my 2 shots and a little ice, I'm going to take an orange and actually squeeze that orange in here. I'm gonna actually squeeze this other piece of orange too, basically half an orange. So once I've done that, I'm going to squeeze a lime in there as well. And then for this cocktail, I'm going to be using the mango Turmeric Magic. Since we're going for a more fruitier vibe, I'm going to do mango. Mango is really, this is actually my favorite flavor out of all the Turmeric Magic drinks. This mango hits, okay? It is so good. If there's anyone that you want to try out first, I really recommend the mango. It's so good. And I recommend to shake these drinks because it is made out of fresh turmeric and lime and ginger. It can tend to settle in the bottom, so I recommend to, you know, shake it up before you drink it. We're just gonna pour a little bit of the mango turmeric. And then, just to make it bubbly, a little fizzy, I'm gonna take some club soda and put that in there too. Put a little bit of the club soda in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and pour that into the glass. And this is our refresher. And just to jazz it up, we're gonna put a little piece of orange, a slice of orange in there. And if you want, you can put a little lime in there too. And there you have it, your spiked refresher. And there we have it. Those are my 3 go-to summer cocktails, weekend cocktails. You could drink this whenever, but that is how I would use Turmeric Magic to make some cocktails. And like I said, you can use this juice for all other purposes. You could use them for anything. So thank you, Turmeric Magic, for working with me on this video. I'm gonna make sure I link and leave all their information down below so all of you guys can check them out. I highly recommend them. If you want something to change your body, change your life, change everything, okay, then definitely check out Turmeric Magic. And I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Bye.